Before you sleep tonight, ask yourself one question. Did I actually live today, or did I just survive it? There is a difference, a massive one. Some of these will make you put your phone down and stare at the ceiling. One of them will feel like it was written about your exact life. Stay for all 30. The last one is the one you needed to hear. Before you sleep tonight, ask yourself one question. Did I actually live today, or did I just survive it? There is a difference, a massive one. The people who are still standing with you after everything you have been through, those are the people who deserve everything you have to give. You are not behind. You are not too late. You are on a path that was specifically built for you, and it does not look like anyone else's. That is not failure. That is individuality. Stop being so available to people who only reach out when they need something. Your time is not a resource. It is your life. The day you decide that your peace matters more than their approval, everything changes. Everything. You have survived every single hard day you have ever had, 100%. Whatever today is, you will survive this one too. Some people will only understand your value in your absence. Do not go back just to remind them. Let the absence do the teaching. Discipline is just choosing your future self over your present comfort every single time. No exception, no excuse. The most dangerous thing you will ever do is let other people decide what you are capable of. Not every chapter of your life needs a witness. Some of the most important growth happens when nobody is watching and nobody is clapping. Being kind does not mean being available to everyone. You can have a good heart and still have limits. Boundaries are not walls. They are doors with locks. The version of you that kept going when everything said stop, that version deserves more credit than you give it. You do not have to be perfect to be worth loving. You just have to be honest, growing, and trying. That is enough. Letting go does not mean you didn't care. Sometimes letting go is the most caring thing you can do, for them and for yourself. Your consistency in the dark is what builds the life you want in the light. Nobody sees the 5 a.m. They only see the result. The problem is not that you care too much. The problem is that you keep caring for people who have shown you they will not return it. Someday, you will look back at this exact moment, the one where you almost gave up, and it will be the part of your story you are most proud of. Rest is not giving up. Rest is how you come back stronger than before. Your body is not a machine. Treat it like the home your soul lives in. Stop rehearsing the past in your head. That conversation is over. Those people have moved on. Now it's your turn. You will outgrow people. You will outgrow places. You will outgrow old versions of yourself. This is not betrayal. This is growth. Let it happen. The world does not need another perfect version of someone else. It needs the fully unfiltered, unpolished, unapologetic version of you. One day, someone is going to love you in all the ways the wrong people did not. And it's going to feel so unfamiliar you might almost push it away. Do not. You keep asking people for closure they will never give you. Give it to yourself. Decide today that you are done waiting for it. Your sensitivity is not a flaw. It means you feel things deeply. It means you are fully alive. The world needs more people like that, not fewer. Do not confuse being patient with being a doormat. There is a version of waiting that is hopeful. There is a version that is just self-abandonment. Know the difference. The thing about rock bottom is that it is solid ground. You can finally stand on something real and start building again. Stop shrinking your light so that other people feel comfortable in the dark. Shine. The right people will not need sunglasses. The most underrated form of success is the ability to walk away from something that is hurting you without burning it down on your way out. Some nights, the bravest thing you can do is simply go to sleep, knowing that tomorrow you will try again. That quiet courage counts. Before you sleep tonight, think of one thing that went right today. Just one. Your brain is trained to find problems. Train it to find light instead.